Before we get started using Figma, you need to know one thing, that Figma is a cloud system. That means it works seamlessly on your internet browser or through the dedicated apps that you can download from this website called figma.com. Once on figma.com, you come to products, and in products, click on downloads. When in downloads, you will have the option to download Mac or Windows based app for Figma. In addition to your desktop apps, Figma also has a mobile app. It is also available on iOS and Android. We'll see how to use the mobile apps later on in the course. But for now, before we download anything, we need to create Figma account. To do that, simply click on Login or Get Started. To create Figma account, you have two options. Either you can use Google or you can use your own email address to make Figma account. In my case, I already have Figma account using Google, so I'm going to use that. I will choose one of my accounts. And now that you see, I have logged into my Figma. This is the landing page for the software, and we'll explore this in detail in the next chapter. However, just know one thing, that we are still using the Chrome version, that our Figma is logged in Chrome. In the next chapter, we'll also see how to download your desktop app from the landing page. Just see you in the next chapter. Do you want to learn UX UI design to solve real-world problems and design innovative products? Whether you want to join a top tech company or you're a founder looking to build and launch your own game-changing startup, join Design Dreams to master the professional process that turns great ideas into successful, scalable products. My name is Arshdeep Singh with 15 years of design experience, and I have seen where aspiring designers and founders often get stuck. Many courses just teach you the tools. They show you how to use Figma, but the tool is just a hammer. And learning to use a hammer doesn't mean you are an architect. A successful product isn't built on tools. It's built on world-class strategy and deep understanding of people. That's why at Design Dream, our entire teaching philosophy is built on professional 3-part workflow that mirrors how top companies innovate. First, we master the why. Before we even think about the pixels, we deep dive into UX research and strategy to validate ideas to make data-driven decisions. Then, we learn the what. Here, we bridge the strategy to the screen, mastering timeless design principles to create interfaces that are intuitive and beautiful. Finally, we execute with the how. This is where we become masters of our tools like Figma, using a professional process to build for speed and scale. This strategy-first approach is the foundation of every successful product, and it is the core of everything we teach. Join our definitive UX UI course, the complete comprehensive UX UI masterclass. It's a self-paced program where you learn our entire 3-part process from strategy to final scalable product, giving you deep knowledge needed to design your own user-centric products. And if you're ready for complete career transformation or learn the art and science of innovation, there is a 16-week innovation-focused bootcamp. This is our most extensive hands-on experience. It goes beyond the curriculum with live workshops, dedicated mentorship, professional mock interviews, and guided process to build a killer portfolio that gets you hired. This is your accelerator to the top tier. By the end of entire path, you won't just know Figma. You will know how to transform an idea into real user-centric and scalable product.